Need shade. Skate park. Ooh. See, now what town could you get away with doing this for your mobile home? Ooh, nice quilt. I like it. I like it a lot. Slab City. Oh, look at that little car. Oh, look at this. Isn't that cute? They painted the trees over here. That's interesting. Okay, Sun City. Let's see, open. Open. Okay, well, let's go. Church of Enlightenment. Sorry, guys. I forgot I had it. Enjoy the ride? Probably not. I'm sorry. As I giggle out loud. Let's see. This just kind of looks like a great big workshop. Got all kind of wood and everything in there. Building stuff. You see, now people would think this is just a bunch of pile of junk, but it could be a gold mine to someone that's building stuff, you know? And you got this little place over here. Sorry. Let's see, library this way, hostel this way. Okay, here we go. Oh, I can't imagine being out here in a tent. Ugh. That's just too much. Oh, that's a cool idea. Now here's a way to keep your place cool or warm. See that little yurt back there? Where's my finger? right there. That's a yurt. And they've got piles of hay all around it, which is a, what's that called? Insulation. And keeps you cool in the summer, warm in the winter. Kyle, look at these cactus. They're pipes. They could be PVC pipes. Well, the long one is a 4x4 on this one. Then it could be PVC pipe coming out. That's pretty clever. And this is what I meant about marking your territory. Okay. Wait. Okay. See, this guy looks like he's taken off for the summer. Campsites available. I don't think so. I'm crazy, but not that crazy. Oh, look at those cool poles just sitting out there, all painted. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Look at that. Those are so pretty. Internet cafe. Oh, that's funny. Church of Beer. even have a pet cemetery.